Hi, I'm Tash.
And I'm Tom.
We love wildlife and we want to help bring you closer to nature too.
We want to show you what's on your doorstep, your back garden, and even if you have one, your side alley. We're going to show you what you can make, do, eat, and even grow.
So come with us on a journey of discovery around our back garden. See what you can make, amazing crafts, and let's make sure that all the mini beasts and creatures in our care really thrive. See you there. Hello and welcome to episode 3 of Wildlife Fun with Tash and Tom. Today's episode is all about birds. Only problem is, I can't seem to find Tom anywhere. Tom? Tom?
Oh, hang on. I'm just looking for some garden birds at the top.
Oh, you're looking into the lime tree. That's great, but do you know what? There are often garden birds in our own back gardens and front gardens. We just need to look for them. For example, maybe we'll find some in our garden. Oh!
Look, it's a robin.
Oh, yes. With his lovely little red chest.
Oh, yes, and here's our little woodpecker.
Oh, he's sitting very still for us. Very still.
What else?
Anything else?
Oh, there's, that's a song thrush.
Well done, it is. There's our sleeping hedgehog, so let's leave him alone. Yeah. Time to wake up soon, though.
We haven't started. It's a blackbird. Yes.
That must be a male blackbird because the female blackbirds are brown.
Hey, did you know that each bird has its own bird song? Let's listen to a few.
What's that one, Tom?
So that was a robin. That's a mallard duck.
It's a very quiet woodpecker, isn't it?
Yeah, it was
Greater spotted.
Greater spotted woodpecker. So that's a song thrush, got quite lovely song.
Blackbird.
Oh, there he was. You had him for a bit.
For a second. Hopefully everybody watching this can get to actually see a blackbird in their garden.
Yes.
What's the last one?
It's a blue tit. That must mean it's time for us to move on to our next activity. Does anyone know what bird call that might be?
Yes, you've guessed it. It's an owl. But this is just an owl call, not a real owl, sadly, because most owls, as we know, come out at night. There are a few in this country that do come out during the day, including one called a little owl, and we have them in Walpole Park. We have one in Walpole Park. So the next activity is an owl pellet dissection. What is an owl pellet? An owl pellet is something that is lodged here in the owl's throat because when he eats lots of mammals, little rodents, rats, mice, things like that, he doesn't like the fur or the bones. So he keeps them just here, and then after 3 or 4 days, he basically sicks them up. he coughs them up, and if you are lucky enough, you can find little owl pellets and you can open them up and see what's inside. Now, we got them from a special owl sanctuary, somewhere that looks after owls. And Tom's going to investigate what animals those owls had for dinner. So let's go and see what bones we can find.
Right, so I'm just opening my sterilised owl pellet. Here we are. Here it is.
Ooh, you can already see some bones in there. Alright, so let's get started. Ooh, already here we have some bones. Alright, so
That looks like a jaw, doesn't it?
that does look like a jaw. Alright, we got a lot of bones here.
Oh.
Just start to unhinge this massive
So this
body.
is all fur, isn't it?
Yes.
From rodents, from small animals, and bones, the bits that the owl couldn't digest, didn't want to digest.
Here we have a skull, an entire skull.
Wow.
Right, we have to try and get the fur out of the eye sockets here.
Just show us the skull.
Here we are.
Okay, so where are the eye sockets? Just point to them with your
Chopstick.
chopstick.
Cocktail stick here.
Oh.
There's an eye socket.
Okay.
And the other one is same place on the other side.
And those are the teeth, are they?
And yes,
The long teeth.
Here there are teeth.
Okay.
Okay, so we've found a lot of different bones, mainly from rodents. We found the skull of what we think to be a rat and a vole, and we've also found what can pretty much make up an entire rodent.
Thanks for watching.
Remember to tune in next time.
Bye.